Pregnant man incoming. Hmm. Need something sweet. So that winter bulk incoming. (6'2", so I have a better metabolism than most. Thanks for the Twitch follow. Twitch/TrailsPokemon for Pokemon stuff. I'm gonna see about getting the TheMrTrails name on a separate account for just the variety stuff. So I should probably aim for like 3,500 calories a day. Maybe 2 strength training sessions per day. So if we want a day in a attempt of that, we can try that. This Shin Ramen's about to be spicy though. Building up a tolerance to it though. This is like pack number 5 out of the thing. We got peanut butter ramen. Shin peanut butter ramen with an egg. Drained up the noodles a little bit. Oh, a little bit spicy. So current physique, we'll do some shots at the gym when we go to the gym. Current physique is about a year of almost daily weight training. About a year. Had a couple of breaks in there, but mostly training for size. But more recently, I should be training for strength. So bulking is better for strength, so let's do that. And physiological stats. Probably could have weighed myself before and after with this. But 26 years old. Man. Testosterone levels are nominal. Might go higher with more food intake. Probably. Has to be the right food, that is. Sort of a intuitive eating for me. Just trying to get in extra calories. Intuitive eating plus strength training equals gains. I'm thinking just like maybe 1 or 2 40-minute sessions at the gym. Maybe even less than that. 20 or 30-minute sessions. Just focusing on explosive movements. I think is all I should really be focusing on. And then you're struggling with eating enough food to be intentionally gaining weight. A general rule of thumb is have something sweet mixed with carbs. So peanut butter ramen, pretty decent combination for that, I would say. Some people might need to intentionally gain weight for. Oh, here. I'll do the thing. I'll do the thing. We'll take off the noise filters and stuff. Just to get stuff going. Spicy. Makes me blow my nose. Might need to get a Powerhouse gym subscription for a 24-hour gym, which are thankfully coming back. Just for that Sunday kick. Yeah, Sunday, my LA Fitness is already closed. Anyone want to help pay for that Powerhouse sub? Would appreciate it. We got super thanks. Twitch subscriptions. And in return, I'll give you some more mukbang content. As well as some gym vids. YouTube memberships. I think. Currently, I'm geared more toward a just a long form content style, light editing. You know, I think it comes and goes in waves, right? Like sometimes you need long form content, light editing, and sometimes you need to do more short form content with heavy editing. Kind of all over the place right now with that, but try to do more light editing long form stuff here, and then save my editing stuff for shorts, maybe over on the Pokemon channel. Maybe some here too. many calories even is this? I'd say the donuts are probably good 300 each, maybe 250. Oh, we'll go 250 each, so 1,000 calories in the donuts, about 500 in the Shin Ramen pack, and then peanut butter, probably add another 500 calories there. The egg is light, I think it's 70, so about 2,000 calories, a little bit more than that maybe. The other food I ate today was just 2 sittings of Little Caesars pizza. And yeah, that's it. All the food's done. Perhaps tomorrow I could try to do a full day at the gym sort of thing. Again, I can't go tonight, but I think that's actually good for recovery to not go every day when you're bulking and just train strength. Just focus on the explosive movements with heavy weights. I'll probably try to do like, multiple 2-set reps sort of thing. I might need some more creatine to boost the muscle storage, water muscle storage type thing. But yeah, kind of like these long form, no edit type videos should be good. Living here in Michigan, doing a winter bulk now, it's probably a little bit too late actually, for like great well off, but proteins, get some protein sweats going, and maybe some spicy food sweats, and that might nullify the get the circulation going with caffeine, and that will hopefully nullify the effects of the cold weather that is incoming. Currently it is 50 degrees freedom, mostly clear, nighttime, now it's 7 p.m. Yeah, I think that's all I got for this one, but we will maybe do more of these. Let me know if you want more of these, and yeah, let me know if you want more. Will oblige. Do some I'm not going to say what I was about to say. We are going to end the video now. But yeah,